It's car night in Santa Barbara, California tonight. Come with me as we go cruising. I am super excited. I'm going on an outing. Today there's this little group in Santa Barbara. It's called Cars and Coffee. And they're doing this like cruising down the center street in town. And there is Monty and Maria and daughter Alex and Puppy Dog, the organizers of this Cars and Coffee event. What brought this on, you guys?
Well, we were trying to think of a fun way to get people out in a safe way and support the local restaurants. So we thought, let's start cruise night, encourage people to stay in their cars and socially distance, but then visit some of the restaurants before, during, or after the cruise night. Anybody that wants to come out is welcome, regardless of kind of car.
These are classics. Oh my goodness, that car, what is that, 1950s? Look at these, that might have been a 40 when that green one going by. And this one, that's got to be a 40s car. Oh, yay.
We just put it on social media. We put it on the Santa Barbara Cars and Coffee Facebook page.
It's word of mouth.
We have about 3,600 followers on the Facebook page. No congregation and things like that.
I'm telling you, I haven't had a reason to go out, and I can't tell you how long. So here I am in my little car with nobody with me. I mean, as you can see, I'm here at a red light, so I can show you this. Nobody's here. It's just me and my little self. I was all excited. I put some earrings on, my makeup on. I'm going to be seen. Guy next to me has a cute little Porsche. Maybe he and his wife are going there too. I'm going to stop my car. I got a surprise. And now I'm going to do something I haven't done in so darn long. You can't believe this. Check this out. Yes, yes, yes. I have not played with my convertible in years. This is a night to do it. I had this little bout with skin cancer that really scared me a long time ago. So I've never taken the top off this car and drove around, but tonight is the night. So off to the races we go. Yay! Wow, check out this parking lot. Look at these cars. Woohoo! Hi! Am I going the wrong way? I'm sorry, sir, I'm going the wrong way. Oh my gosh, look at, oh hi! Good to see you. Happy coronavirus Cars and Coffee time. What year is that?
57.
Is it which one? 57?
57, yeah.
Fabulous. And what's the other one?
54.
All right, you guys gonna go cruising?
Yeah.
Yay! Hi, you guys gonna join the parade of cars tonight? And what are you driving? A Blazer. It's a very tripped out Blazer, isn't it? All right, we'll see you down there. It's a really big turnout. That's really neat. I mean, people have just been all pent up. Now we're getting into the heart of downtown. There's a Granada Theater over there. This big line of cars, and you can hear all the boom boxes or all the speakers in these cars just going off. Everybody's just having a party. There's our famous Arlington Theater, where the Santa Barbara International Film Festival plays, with the big spire on the top. Can you see that? There it is, way back there. It's so pretty. What a landmark. It couldn't be a more beautiful time in Santa Barbara. Today's outside temperature was, I think, 85 degrees, and now it is 78 degrees, and it is like 20 to 7 at night. So it's just beautiful. It's like a summer night, you know, and the virus is killed in the hot weather, so they tell us. I'm gonna go with that tonight. No ride. Now that's a cool car. Here's some more. Woohoo! Cool. Ooh, I love yellow vet. Oh, yeah. Very cute car. Okay, we're gonna go to the pier. I think this is my best night yet with the coronavirus. This is so much fun. The line of cars just goes on and on. It's amazing. People talking, they're far apart. But I have to say there's hardly any pedestrians. this is lined up with cars, like bumper to bumper for, you know, it's probably not a mile. It's probably half a mile. And they just keep going back and forth. They turn around and go up the other way. Yay, hi! There's a guy with his horn. That was cute. And so, you know, but people mainly are in their cars alone. There are some people with a couple or, you know, 3 in the car, but usually not at all. And there's really nobody, no pedestrians. So we're having this little parade, and I guess you just got to be in a parade to enjoy the parade, which I am. But it doesn't seem to be a spectator parade. We have huge parades in Santa Barbara. Oh my gosh, for our Fiesta Parade, which is the biggest equestrian parade in the whole country, we get 100,000 people coming and hanging out and watching that parade. This parade, I've seen 3. Well, maybe a little more than 3. Hi guys. The motorcycle guy's behind me. And there's there's never this many people on State Street. In the summertime you do that, but it goes all the way down to the tunnel. Wow, they're hanging out, a lot of people. Well, they don't all seem to be wearing masks, and they don't all seem to be social distancing. There's a lot of people here picking up food, really popular among the young set. This is like towards the end of State Street going down to the pier over there. Some people taking a walk. Hi, are you here for the car parade? Oh, hi!
How are you?
I'm good. How are you guys?
Super.
What are you doing? Are you having dinner?
Last time I saw you was at Opal.
Yeah, it was a while back. So did you come here for the parade? To see the parade?
The cars?
Yeah.
Yes, we did. We saw them all. They made a nice loop. Come around and came back. It was very pretty.
Did you get some dinner takeout?
She was having hers now. I had mine earlier. It was fabulous. It's a beautiful evening.
It's a beautiful evening, and you guys are doing wonderful social distancing, I might add.
We are.
Good for you.
Yeah, we do it.
Awesome. Well, have a great night. The picnic tables are all cordoned off, so you can have your dinner there. That's why that girl was sitting over there in the alcove of the restaurant eating her dinner. You know, you can't sit at a table. Okay. This is the Santa Barbara Shellfish Company, and they've got a window open. That's great. And I see people hanging out. I mean, they have adult beverages over there. Oh, that sounds really good right now. And this guy's eating something. And some other people eating something. That's just beautiful. What a place to have a dinner. Gorgeous view. And check out that sun. That is just beautiful. It's gonna go set behind those palm trees in about half an hour. That's so cute. What kind of car is that? What's he got hanging out the side there? Woohoo, look at all this. I feel like I'm in high school, cruising down, looking for the boys. Look at all these boys. Isn't that what you used to do in high school? Just cruise, look for the boys. Oh well, it's a lot of fun. I can only dream. We're all safe distancing. Okay, now this is where all the people are. They're hanging out here. That's a little something. That's a little close quarters, I would say. And this seemed to be another little hot zone there. All those people hanging out. Hot zone. Got another hot zone, hot zone, hot zone. What kind of car do you have? What?
A Mustang.
Wow, that's really cute. Woohoo! Love an old Mustang. There's that bug. Oh, that's my turn. I'm turning. Oh, it says no turn. Can't turn. Okay.
This is a 1974 Volkswagen bus. It was restored here locally, and it's great for something like this. The whole family can get in. And
It's our
just
Santa
have fun.
Barbara car.
Yeah. It's a microbus configuration. So we originally bought it when our daughter was younger because we can get 7 teenagers in here with seatbelts and do it in a safe manner.
Bye, guys. Well, I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for coming with me on this really fun car hop or coffee and cars, but there's no coffee tonight. It's evening in Santa Barbara, California. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of the next. Oh, I almost thought the car wasn't going to start. You know, those older cars could have some trouble. Bye to you. Make a comment. And what kind of fun are you doing in your town Do you have any events going? Give me some ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and viva la fiesta, even when it's with the cars. That's a fun thing. Bye.